y'all, welcome back to another video. So today I got this bad boy, because I saw that they have these new wings, so I'm like, why not? Now I'm not trying all of the flavors today. I'm just doing 2 flavors. I'm doing the ghost pepper and the sweet and spicy. Yeah, I'm gonna test those out today, and then in another video I'll try the other ones. So now I bought these probably an hour ago, so they're cold now. Yeah, that's the ghost pepper. Look pretty good. Smell pretty good too. I'm gonna try that one last. Yeah. And then right here we got that sweet and spicy. You know, looks good. That thing smells good too. Now listen. Nah, I know daggone well they didn't give me all drumsticks. Who does that? All drumsticks. At least, well, listen, this one looks right. All drumsticks. Now listen, we gonna get this one over right now. This right here, that's a no-no. This right here, that's where it's at, okay? We gonna get that debate over and done with, because I keep seeing people saying, oh, this is the best one because it got more meat. Yes, it does have more meat. But this meat, the meat on this one rather, it's more tender, juicy. Unlike this one, you know, this one, depending on who fries it, that thing might be dry as all get out. So listen, this where it's at right there. So since we got that out the way, now we gonna try them sweet and spicy wings, see how they are. I can't believe not even one flat, all drumsticks. Alright, let's see. Let's see all that sauce. Let's see. That's some fire wings right there. That's good. Now that spicy, probably have to eat a few to get the spicy, but that sauce, that's real good. This is a winner right here for sure. Boy, that's good. Oh yeah, they got that. That's good. Oh yeah, Popeyes, y'all got me on that one. That sauce, I don't know if it's the sweet chili sauce. I see the sweet chili sauce quite often in the store. I don't know if that's what they use. Whatever it is, those red pepper flakes are in there. Now, I took a few bites just to see if it's real spicy. There's a kick, depending on your tolerance for spicy. Might be spicy to you, might not be. There's a kick, but it's not like hot to me. But then again, maybe I gotta eat a few to get the real effect of that spiciness. But either way, those wings are bomb. So let me get this off, because you know, I don't want that messing up the ghost pepper flavor, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we're gonna try this one. So that's what the ghost pepper one looks like. Alright. It smells pretty good too. Now, it don't smell spicy or nothing. You gotta watch that. Let's see. First thing I'll say about this one, this could take a little bit more flavor, for sure. I feel a little kick. Realize I'm chewing more on this side because that's sweet and spicy over on this side. That little kick is over there. But for this one, I feel like the sweet and spicy is more spicy than this. When I tell you it's a tiny kick, for ghost pepper, I'm thinking I'd be outside running up and down. It's so spicy. But it's just, it's not that hot to me at all. But I will say, the wings could use some more flavor. Oh yeah, they could definitely throw some more seasoning on this bad boy, cause it's missing that for sure. And either way, the wings are good. The sweet and spicy, I would give that, that's a 10 out of 10 for me. These ghost pepper wings, I give them a 7. It's fried well, but that pepper I was looking for, that spiciness that I was looking for, is not there. And I feel like it could use some more flavor, like seasoning wise. But overall, ghost pepper gets a 7 from me, and then sweet and spicy, they get that 10. Because it's more spicy than the other one, like than the ghost pepper one, like I told y'all. Anyway, hope y'all like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Again, I'm gonna do a part 2 with the other 3 flavors. I think there's barbecue, garlic, and another one. So I'm gonna do another video with those 3. Until next time, peace out.